Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can view all the apps on MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, the first method is simply you need to click on the Launchpad, and after clicking on the Launchpad, as you can see, you will be able to see all the apps. If you want to see some other apps as well, you have to swipe, and after swiping, as you can see, these apps are also installed. I'm going to back again, and here are some other apps. So in this way you can check. This is the first method. I'm going to press on the escape, and after pressing the escape, if you want to open the Launchpad with a shortcut key, or if you want to open this Launchpad with pressing a key, you can also do that. Simply you need to press the F4 button on your MacBook. So let's press that, and after F4, pressing the F4, the Launchpad will be automatically open like this. So I'm going to dragging this again. This was the first method, so I'm going to escape again. Now simply I'm going to click on the Finder, and after clicking on the Finder, as you can see, other options are provided here, like the documents and download. There's another option which is called application, so we have to click on the applications, and after clicking on the application, as you can see, all the applications are added here. You can also see and view all the applications from here. So these are the both methods. You can apply these both methods wherever you want, whichever you use, you can use it as per your need. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can view all the apps on your MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.